Welcome to this brief demo to show how we've built a custom presentation layer for infoRouter specifically for a patient records management application, in this case an occupational health provider. Firstly, we'll log on. We'll quickly cover the main functionality. So down the left hand side you can see the search, inbox, messages, add patient and scan documents. So if we quickly look at how we can search for patient information, we can search for any of the metadata here. So if we search for a patient name, we then retrieve the folder with the patient information, and below that any subfolders that have been created with the associated documents. We've also built into this product an HTML viewer technology to allow us to view PDF documents, Word documents in their native format. We can also see the routing information for this document, showing where that document has been to and what actions have been performed on that document. We'll now have a look at the workflow functionality. As you can see on the inbox tab, the tab is actually shown in green, which means that there's a new item that needs action. And at the top here you can see a list of the work in progress and the new workflow items that need attention. If we highlight the one that needs attention, we can see the document, and if we go to options we can select an action, so in this case an appointment, and we can add notes. And we can save that. We also have the option to redirect documents to other individuals. So for example, if we want to include other users, we could add those users to the circulation list. Basically this isn't a workflow in the true sense of infoRouter. It's almost like an indefinite sort of single step task, in the sense that you can fire it at any user or groups of users and they can all simultaneously add comments and direct it on to other individuals. And this is apparently the way that they typically work in hospital environments, where you may want to bounce a case around many different consultants or doctors. If we go to the message tab, we've also got the ability for users to fire off messages to each other using the system rather than creating an email. This was something that was built at the user's request because a previous system they'd used had done this, so we've added this functionality. We can add new patients to the system, and when we add a patient, it automatically creates the correct metadata and prompts us to add the right folder structures and document types. So we've now added the new patient, which effectively adds a folder with all the metadata. If we click on that, we can now upload documents to that. And then we can define the document type. So the users are prompted to add the correct document type. And it creates the subfolder with the document attached. So if we view the document, We can now route that if we want to a specific user. So if we pick Jeff, and we'll jump to another session for which Jeff is logged into. We'll refresh that. And Jeff can then action that document accordingly. We've also got an interface to allow us to scan documents directly into this application. So we've built a Twain scanning interface using Microsoft ClickOnce technology. And likewise, we've done a similar thing with Word to allow us to merge Word templates with patient information. You'll see here we've got a scanned documents folder, and basically this allows us to view and index any scanned documents that have been added using the Info Desktop scanning tool.